Hi, Benjamin. It's time to go night-night. Want to read a book? Toot toot. Beep beep. Look at all this traffic. The cars go up and down and in and out and round all day long. Beep beep goes the little red Jeep. Beep beep, and off he zooms. Vroom vroom goes the sleek black sports car. Vroom vroom, and off he speeds. Toot toot goes the big blue van. Toot toot, and off she trundles. Honk honk goes the yellow city taxi. Honk honk, and off he rushes. Whoosh whoosh goes the long pink limousine. Whoosh whoosh, and off she glides. Chugga chugga goes the old green camper van. Chugga chugga, and off he rolls. Boom, boom, goes the tiny purple car. Boom, boom, and off she hurtles. Beep, beep. Vroom, vroom. Toot, toot. Honk, honk. Whoosh, whoosh. Chugga, chugga. Boom, boom. What a lot of noise. But wait, where have all the cars gone? There they are, in the parking lot. Night-night, cars. Night-night. Night-night, Benjamin. I love you.